Mi nombre es Américo Gil Guevara. Bien, yo estoy trabajando con café más de 32 años más o menos.
At IKEA, we want to source coffee in a responsible and sustainable way, with care for people and the planet.
Cosecha, nosotros lo que hacemos es, somos una familia, varios, ¿no? Somos hasta 7, 8, nos reunimos, hacemos 2 días, por ejemplo, 2 días, trabajo acá, en mi finca. Entonces, como a mí me han ayudado, yo me voy a desquitarlo a ellos. 2 días al otro así y damos la vuelta. Entonces, yo no traigo gente de otro lado.
IKEA is a company with strong Swedish roots that values and celebrates Swedish traditions. The love for coffee is part of that. After the Finns, Swedes are actually the people that drink the most coffee in the whole world.
It's important for us that coffee is a great product in different senses. So it has to have a great taste, it has to have a great quality, it has to have a good price for the customers and the end customers, but also it has to be a sustainable product.
Due to the IKEA Code of Conduct, IWay, it's important that IKEA's coffee, PÅTÅR, is not just any coffee, but meets the sustainable and social criteria required, such as good wages and living conditions for the farmers, and having a sustainable impact on the environment. To meet these requirements, IKEA's coffee PÅTÅR is both organic and UTZ certified.
UTZ and organic, it's a good combination. You have to protect the environment and you have to take care of the product and also of your workers.
We are committed to having a positive impact on people and the planet. So if we choose to go organic and we choose to go certified for a crop like coffee, it has a huge impact on both the environment, the soil and the water usage, etc., but also on the people who consume it.
Porque yo soy orgánico, pero ya los restos de químicos yo no quiero saber nada. Y usted sabe que el ambiente es lo mejor, ¿no? Si no hay ambiente, no hay nada.
Every farmer is connected to a cooperative through which certifications such as UTZ are handled. Here, the coffee gets recorded into a certain traceability system that will make it possible for the end consumer to track the coffee all the way back to the farmer.
La cooperativa nosotros nos enseña, por ejemplo, nos da estas herramientas para poder trabajar. Antes de ser certificado, o sea, ahí nos vamos, juntamos la semilla de cualquier chacra, ¿no? Y no tiene una garantía. Y no es ya con nosotros, como uno está en la cooperativa, ya nosotros tenemos una garantía de tal chacra, de tal finca, es certificada y nosotros nos vamos de ahí. Entonces eso mejor es bien para mí y bien para ustedes. ¿Para qué? Para que nuestros hijos estudien con ese dinero.